Hi there.
Bob?
Yep, that's me.
Lucky are those who find their place in this world.
I got the press with us this
Awesome.
time.
Blessed are those whose place finds them. They pick him up at the same time every morning.
And here we go.
Bob Montgomery will be 93 in January, and he takes this ride so he can do a thing he's been doing for 85 years.
I figure I can still do it. Why not do it? Sitting around in a rocking chair is not my idea of living.
He walks into a building in downtown Bremerton and then into his shop on the 5th floor.
And here's total chaos.
And it's like a step back into another time.
Get some lights in here.
Here is where this ancient little man pushes back against the irresistible force of change, all the while giving last rites to a dying technology.
Tell me what it is about typewriters.
You know, I don't really know anymore. I've been involved with typewriters since I was little. I mean, really little. Da-da-dee-dee-dee.
His dad owned a typewriter repair shop in the 20s. Bob started working there when he was 7. When he joined the Army and went off to liberate Europe in World War II, somebody found out he could fix a typewriter. They took away his rifle and put him to work liberating stuck keys and broken space bars.
This one says very small parts. Let's see what's in here. Get a load of this.
His is a world populated by little doodads, thingamajigs, and whatchamacallits. Intricate relics he's collected forever.
Hooray. I got it.
The typewriter. How many masterpieces? How many scripts, office memos, manifestos, poems? How many love letters were banged out on the clickety-clackety contraptions that have punctuated Bob Montgomery's life?
I'm catering to people who are willing to pay $125 for a machine that was obsolete 50 years ago.
How's business?
It's probably, if I was really trying real hard on volume, it's not worth it anymore.
Typewriters, like the friends Bob has known, are almost all gone now.
I'm the last of the breed. There's hardly anybody who knows how to take these machines apart and put them back together and make them work.
What's that mean to you?
I'm not sure. I don't know. I'm one of a kind.
In here, watching him resuscitate an old ribbon mechanism, you can't help but think about the passage of time and what it does to people and the world.
Who's going to do this when you're gone?
I don't know. Nobody.
He never married, never had kids. He works for a while, then collapses. And then works some more, and collapses.
Yeah.
Bob isn't pining away for the good old days. There are no romantic notions about the way we were, no mourning the demise of the instrument of his expertise.
Maybe 10 years, maybe 20 years. No one on the planet's going to be using a typewriter.
I know. It doesn't bother me at all.
He says he's already lived 15 years longer than he thought he would. Bob and his clickety-clackety contraptions have taken care of one another for so very long that here in the little shop, it's somehow comforting to imagine the two of them, when the time comes, going off to become quietly extinct together.
Not tired, just used up.